Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2015 Chevy Traverse LTZ all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7462X. Only 26,000 miles in this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We've sold this Traverse brand new, blue velvet metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. This Traverse seats 7, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, big skylight overhead with sunshade, DVD player with wireless headphones and remote, rear audio as well as climate control. Middle row bucket seats, full flat for additional cargo space, or tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row. That seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. And power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio app. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control. Heated seats, as well as cooled seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space. And the sliding armrest, with even more space below. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 288 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7462X to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.